We are coming to you today from the Coachmen Apex plant. Look at this. RVs are being born all around us. And what we have right here is a brand new floor plan that we're going to show you.
This is the Coachmen Apex 188RBST. This is the prototype model. It's the first one ever to be built. And we're gonna show you today from concept to concrete what this brand new RV is gonna look like. Hey everybody, it's Brian from Cruisin with the Colemans, and I am here in Middlebury, Indiana at the Coachmen Apex factory with Max Keagle, who is the sales manager and guy in charge of these things and what they look like. Max, tell us what we're standing in right now.
Well, we are standing inside one of our very new floor plans. This is the first one we've ever built. It's called the 188RBST, and RBST stands for rear bath slide tandem because it starts with the number 1, but it is a tandem axle. So this is a newer floor plan for us, and we're very excited to be launching it here in the next month.
The 188 is a new floor plan for Apex. What's the process like going from an idea in your head to a box that's not done yet?
Well, it's a combination of a lot of things. It really starts with an idea. You get a lot of inspiration from other brands in the industry, other things that are existing out there, your customers, your existing customers, and things that they need or want. It's, you know, we spend a lot of time going to the shows and speaking with dealers and just finding out what is really popular and what is needed. And then we look at our lineup, we see what we're not offering, start, you know, on a little notepad, coming together with concept. I sit with my engineer, I sit with my production managers, and we put together a floor plan that we believe is feasible, one that we can put together. So from that point on, the engineer puts everything on paper. We develop prints, parts lists, a bill, a way to track costing, and then once all that comes together, we actually then apply for it through our corporate office at Forest River, who then can approve it and we can throw it on the line. So we'll order everything, we get it started, then we do what's called the prototype process. We build our first prototype, we'll take it out, we'll, you know, make sure everything came together nicely, see if there's any tweaks that we need to build. We'll do a second proto. Once the second proto is approved, then we're off to the races. So we like to think that what we're doing from start to finish, with lots of eyes on it and as a team effort, you can come put together something pretty fantastic.
We are back for day 2 to see where the 188 is on the line. Look at this, we've got windows, we've got a slide out, we've got a lot of things happening. So let's go look inside and see where it's at. It's so exciting to watch an RV be born.
And if I'm looking, if this is something I might be interested in, when am I going to be able to see it on the showroom floor or at one of the RV shows?
Well, I can tell you that this one right now will be available online within the next couple of weeks, and will be on lots within the next month or so, truly. So, I mean, once we have that second proto done, we're scheduling. We're really trying to get the word out. We do try to anticipate what we know is going to work and what we don't, so that we can inform our dealers and our customers about this new product that's coming out, and we start, you know, marketing it out there so that once the second proto has gone through, we can start generating orders and, you know, have it hit the line.
I know you mentioned that there are a few other floor plans that are going to be hitting the lots real soon.
Yeah.
So if I'm going to go to Hershey or one of the other shows coming up this fall or over the winter, what other things am I going to see new from Apex and Remote?
Well, Apex alone has 6 new floor plans this year, which is a big new floor plan offering for a model year change. I mean, 6 new floor plans. We felt that there were some areas that we not only needed to to backfill and replace, but also some offerings that we didn't even have that we're really excited to have. So everything right now is being rolled out through the end of August. By the end of September, these new floor plans are going to be on dealers' lots, ready for purchase. Everything online is going to be updated and ready to go for you. But we do need to anticipate a little bit with the big Hershey show coming up, the big RV week in Elkhart at the end of September. So as we're working our way through these and developing the product, that's why that timeline is the way it is, I should say. So these new floor plans, all 6 are going to be available at the end of September. Same with Remote. Remote has 2 new floor plans this year, which are also both going to be available at the end of September.
What are some of the new features we're seeing across the line in Apex this year?
Well, Apex as a whole, what we wanted to do was simplify options, simplify choices. You know, I'm a big believer that if I give you fewer options but create an overall better product, it creates a better user experience. Like, for example, we've made our air conditioners 15K standard. No reason to pay for an upgrade that most people are wanting anyway, so we work that money into the bill, and now it's standard on the units. We've also added tankless water heaters, which is exciting. All of our televisions that are included in units are now smart TVs because everybody's streaming. Everyone has these streaming services these days. You know, we've also improved our cabinetry setup with new knobs. We've really, the big new feature I'm excited about in the kitchen is the air fryer. That's a really cool newer feature. I know that you guys have already seen some of that, and you know, it's just a really cool thing to spend time in the kitchen and now create more versatility out there, and what you can do on the camping trip is awesome. So our big focus this year was the new floor plans, and you can see that in having 6 new ones, but having these small features sprinkled in with it, I think is going to create an overall fantastic offering. And I should mention, we have a whole new exterior graphics package that is very, very cool, very sleek, very modern, and is going to be very well received.
That's fantastic, Max. Thank you so much. As the rig comes down the line, different people are inspecting it for different issues, and they mark any problems that they see with colored tape. So green tape comes from one inspection, blue tape comes from another, yellow from someone else, and orange from another division. And anything that's marked with tape needs to be fixed before the rig leaves the factory floor. We've got a bunch of other floor plans that are going to be coming out as we go through the RV season and the show season. Check us out, and we'll see you at Hershey and some of the other shows.